Hi dears, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna make two variety of desserts that can made with some seasonal fruits. Fruit custard and honey lemon fruit salad. These are very easy to prepare yet very delicious and healthy too. Hope you'll enjoy it. Keep watching. First, let's make fruit custard. It's so easy to make and you don't need lot of ingredients to make it. Just a good custard powder, milk, sugar and fruits. That's pretty much it. Everything else is optional. For this, adding 4 cups of milk in a heavy bottom pan. Take a bowl, add 4 tablespoons custard powder. Take half a cup milk from the pan, add into the custard powder, mix well. There should be no lumps, set it aside. Heat the milk on medium flame. Stir the milk in between and let it heat. Adding half a cup of sugar and just a pinch of salt and mix until combined. You can add sugar more or less, it's depend on your taste. Once again mix the custard milk. Add the custard milk slowly, stir continuously. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the custard little thickens. If you want more flavor at this point, you can add rose water and cardamom powder. This is the right consistency. Remove the pan from the heat and let it cool down a bit. Pour the custard in a bowl. Cover with a cling film and place it in the fridge for at least 2 hours to chill. Meanwhile, chop the all fruits. It's a great way to enjoy all the fruits in season. Here I am taking apple, mango, kiwi, pomegranate, grapes and banana in my fruit custard. But you can add whatever you like, berries, canned fruits, etc. Anyway, don't use water content fruits like oranges, watermelon, pepper like that. Cut the all fruits into tiny pieces. Take a big bowl, add all fruits. Give it a good mix. Take the chilled custard sauce, whisk it well. Pour the custard into the fruit and just mix it. And pour 2 to 3 tablespoons evaporated milk. Give it a good mix and serve chill. A simple custard is just with fruits, but you can make it more filling, flavorful by adding nuts like almond, cashews, and you can also add chocolate chips or tutti frutti, coconut flakes or jelly cubes. Finally, garnish with pomegranate and serve chill and enjoy with every bite. Let's move to the next one, honey lemon fruit salad. Yet another one of the recipe I hesitated to share because of its simplicity. First, cut all the fruits little big cubes. Here I am taking mango, apple, grapes, some strawberries, kiwi and pomegranate. Use any fruit you like, add in berries, oranges, pineapple, apricots. The choices are endless. Leave out bananas in our salads because of the empowering banana flavor being absorbed by the other fruit. You can add banana if you wish. I recommend adding it just before serving. Take 1 lemon, grate zest of the lemon, just the yellow part only. In a bowl, take all the lemon zest, squeeze out all the juice from the lemon, then add a tablespoon honey, mix well, combine. Adding just a pinch of salt, mix it. In a large bowl, add all the chopped fruits. Pour the honey lemon syrup through the fruit and mix well. If you want more sweetness, then you can add a tablespoon icing sugar, mix it. Serve this delicious salad with a scoop of ice cream. Garnish with some tutti frutti. If you love honey and lemon, you will love a bowl of this honey lemon fruit salad. What better way to either start the day, enjoy the day or finish the day with a bowl of fresh, ripe fruits bursting with flavor. That's all for today. Hope you'd like it. Hope you'll give this a try and let me know how it's turned out for you. Do like and share among with your friends and families. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Follow my Instagram page, link in my description below. This is Shafana. See you in another video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.